Good morning from the Grand Canyon. I'm just walking up. Haven't gotten to see it. I'm starting to see some views. But here we are. Alright, take it in, guys. This is Mather Point. Right there. Where all the people are. Hello from Hopi Point in the Grand Canyon. From Hopi Point you can see the Colorado River, which I'll show you now. Look at this. Hold on. First, don't you just love seeing the cloud shadows all along the canyons? And then check this out. There's the Colorado River. Horseshoe. Again, just breathtaking. I'm going to take you to Powell Point though, which is just up from here, because at Powell Point it's a 360 view and you can see just canyons all around you. So Hopi Point and Powell Point I think would be, besides Mather, when you get into the South Rim, are probably the 3 points that I would say to stop at. I don't have time to stop at them all, so these were the top suggested places for me to stop with a little bit of time that I had. And I think from here I'm going to go see the Desert View Tower. It just kind of gives you a cool view of the canyons and over the desert. And if I can get it all in within the next hour and a half, 2 hours to do those things, then I might drive a couple hours to Horseshoe. If not, I'm just going to take my time and soak in some views. So I feel like you really can't go wrong with views like this. You just kind of got to make it happen. But let's enjoy this view a little bit longer. No guardrails. I'm keeping my distance too. So that is the Desert Bell Tower that we're driving to. So right now we're going through Navajo Reservation in Arizona on the way back to Flagstaff. And so all of the Navajo people, they have these little stands and they sell like jerky and jewelry and pottery and different stuff like that. So I'm really glad I came this way, thinking that I was going to go to Antelope Canyon before changing my mind, because wow, to be able to see some of the Native American people and some of the way they're making a living on reservation, and just the beautiful northern part of the Grand Canyon has been wonderful. So nice surprise. But I went through the Indian reservation, which you can kind of see some people out on. And it's just beautiful desert. It's not the same views as the Grand Canyon, but I'll be able to fly my drone because it's outside of the national forest and it's not in the park. So I'm going to try to fly it. The wind's a little spotty, so we'll see, but at least you can kind of get some canyon desert views, and that's the best I could do. I was really hoping I was going to be able to find some spots, but it was just going to be too much of a headache with the little time I had. So I'm going to fly the drone, get some cool desert shots for you guys, and hopefully I'll be just one of the most beautiful places I've ever been, and it's my last day, so why not end it with some awesome drone shots. One of the only times besides Tucson that I've been able to use it, so I'm excited to show some more cool stuff to you guys, and that's how I'm going to end this trip. Thank you, and come back and watch. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, guys.